There we go. All right, I'm here with Brighton, loves elevators. Go ahead and press the button. This is the elevator, the first elevator at Crown Center. This is one of the parking elevators.
Yep.
This was originally an Otis Lexan elevator, and it has been modernized by Midwest.
Yep. Back in 2023, I believe I remember that.
Yeah. Well, I think I think it was 2024.
I do apologize. Go ahead. Excuse us.
Let's go.
It's gonna try and close on it.
Yeah, thank you.
They did on
Thanks.
us. We
Thanks.
surprised us.
Yeah. Alrighty. Going up to 3.
Here we go.
When I filmed the other one, the chimes on it were so loud it jump scared me.
Oh, wow, I'm really surprised.
Yeah.
Yep, it's still classic levels.
Yep. You can see the Otis logo right there. It was originally an Otis with Lexan fixtures. Here we go down to 1.
I saw videos of these original before this became updated.
Yeah. Or modernized would be the proper term.
Yep.
Alrighty.
Okay.
You guys coming up?
Coming up? Yeah, I can make
Yeah,
this one. I'll go on
I'm
this
sure you
side.
guys. Yeah, you guys should be able to fit in here.
I'll go on this side, and you can
All
go
right,
for the
so
other.
we'll probably end it off at 3.
Yeah.
We're getting off at 2.
2 for you guys. Okay.
Going up to 2. Okay.
Yep, I'll scoot over here.
Here coming. Okay.
Here we go. This is cool.
Are you doing research?
Well,
No,
we're
we're
photographers.
we're elevator YouTubers.
Yep, we love elevators.
We both have YouTube channels.
Where we
And
do
fi-
elevators?
Yeah, we film elevators together, and we actually plan to meet each other here.
Yeah.
Because he lives here and I live in Clinton.
Yeah.
So yeah. Have a good one, guys.
All right. That was awesome. Oh, I love that.
Alrighty.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure the other one might not be as busy. I doubt it, but I'm sure. Shouldn't be a big deal.
Yep.
Excuse us.
Sorry. Oh, thank you. I know this is sensitive. Thanks.
Very persistent elevator.
There we go.
There it goes.
That's it.
Alrighty.
That was awesome.
Off to the next elevator. Okay. I'm pretty sure this is where the elevator is.
Yep. Here it is.
Oh yeah, here we go.
Go.
That looks like it's just as busy.
As the other one is.
Yeah. We'll wait for you guys.
All right. Here it goes. Here we go.
Okay. Ow. The static, man.
I never get the statics much.
Yeah. Well, I think it's probably my jacket.
Yeah. Silly.
Yeah.
Well, another
It sounds like people are getting on. I hear the door sensor.
We got another elevator here at the Crown Center. Same thing as well, and we're swapped on.
Yep. And he's with Vulpix4025.
Hello. Cool one. Oh, here it is.
Here we go. Alrighty. The buttons are over here. Okay,
Yeah.
go ahead and press 1.
Yep. Really was interesting to put on different ways.
Yeah. But it looks like 4's unlocked. Look at the key switches.
Oh, wow.
All right, here we are at 1.
One.
Go ahead and press 4.
Yep. Yo, I never been up those floors before.
Yeah, that's the Grand Theater lobby.
Oh, cool. Wait a minute.
Floor 5 is the offices above it.
Oh, cool. Wow.
Look at it all decorated for Christmas out there.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Alrighty. Now, head back down to 1. Oh! See what I mean, man?
Yeah, that.
Yeah. Well, anyway, there's your cab view.
Yep, pretty nice.
Yeah, definitely nicer. Floor's a little dirty though,
Yeah.
but not too bad. This one also has the original Otis logo down here on the door track. And let's see. I remember doing an impact cam, I think. Yep, still classic levels. You coming up?
No, okay.
Alrighty. Let's go back up to 4. We'll do one more round trip.
Yeah, I grabbed 4s over on this one. I never went up to those other 4s before. When I was here last week, I only went up to 3.
Yeah. I think probably because this key switch was off. I think they turned it on for the... Oh, looks like we're stopping.
What's going on, y'all?
You guys coming up?
Yeah.
Which floor?
4A or 3A?
3.
Going up to level 3?
3A.
Okay.
All school for this time. We're filming elevators. We love elevators.
Yeah. We got a bit of a full house here.
We wanted to make sure we weren't crowding too many people in here.
Here we go. I'll point my phone up.
Where are we going, Sam?
One.
Oh, you guys
Okay,
have
well,
one?
we're going up and we're gonna...
We're going back down.
Okay. Yeah.
It's kind of a shit show at this point.
Yeah.
Let them
And
out there.
yeah. We're headed up to 4. We'll get off and get back on.
Yeah.
Actually. Yeah, I think might go down first, I think. No, we're going.
Talking something?
Well, we use this. We love elevators.
Yeah, we're YouTubers.
Okay.
We like to go around filming elevators, and I'm local to you. He's from Clinton.
I'm from Clinton, Missouri.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna get off and call
Have fun, guys.
recall the elevator from here.
So cool.
No alcohol beyond this point.
Oh, here we go. There's an Edwards 278B pull station. Yeah, you can tell I'm into fire alarms too.
Oh yeah, I am as well.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I didn't know this one was gonna be busy as well.
Yeah, I'm not gonna have much time to do my 2025 EOY roundup. I don't know. I don't think I have that many photos up for this year. I don't know. It sounds like it's stopping between floors.
Here we go. Alright,
Okay,
so where do you want to end?
let's end it at 1.
Here we go. If it didn't scare me that time, I like that chime on the first show.
Yeah, usually I think it does it when the doors are open or on a specific level. I'm not 100%, but anyway.
At the south elevator is pretty cool, by the way. I like the other one more because they shut the doors quicker.
Yeah,
Here we are.
people call that an impatient elevator. Alrighty,
Alright.
there it goes. And that's it. It was great meeting with you, man.
Hey, y'all.
Great meeting with you.
Yeah, you too. It was awesome.